Today, we're looking at the future of Hollywood and the potential role of artificial intelligence, or AI, on the big screen. Could we be saying goodbye to human stars and hello to AI actors? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. AI's power to create realistic media. Technology is moving fast, and AI is at the forefront. Have you seen those deepfake photos or videos? They're getting scarily good at swapping faces and creating fake yet realistic representations. This shows us that AI's ability to create synthetic performances that seem incredibly real is just around the corner. AI animation advances. But it's not just about swapping faces. AI is also getting really good at creating original 3D images and lifelike avatars. You've seen those stunning virtual characters in video games, haven't you? Well, imagine that, but even more realistic. With a few clicks, we could soon have ultra-realistic virtual actors created by AI. The promise of AI in perfect scene construction. AI might even outdo us humans when it comes to creating the perfect movie scene. Imagine an AI that can blend performances to create characters that are even more emotionally resonant than those portrayed by human actors. With the speed of AI advancements, it's not a question of if, but when. AI could potentially create an acting library with all possible emotions, movements, and gestures. Some skeptics argue that AI can't possibly replicate the full range of human emotions and movements. But don't underestimate the power of AI. It could potentially create a library of all possible emotions, movements, and gestures. Filmmakers could then use this library to create AI actors that can perform any role with amazing accuracy. The emotional connection AI characters can create. Sure, you might say that AI can't replace the emotional connection we have with human actors. But think about how much you loved characters from animated movies like Avatar. It's not always about the medium. As long as characters are engaging and spark our imagination, they can connect with us. AI characters could very well do that in the near future. The age of AI actors is coming soon. The next few decades are going to see some staggering changes in how movies are made. AI could replicate, even improve upon, the acting talents we've always associated with humans. This could open up a world of creative possibilities for filmmakers. But it could also mean that live-action actors might face stiff competition from their virtual counterparts. So, brace yourselves, the age of AI actors is coming sooner than we think. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed our exploration of AI in Hollywood, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time.